Hey guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna.
Pink?
Look at me, want pink. Besides.
Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get.
So Amo, how do you feel setting up tents?
It was not fun. It was rainy.
Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing?
Scary. Are you? No, that's not how it's gonna work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kaliyah, and if you're new, welcome. Anyway, guess what? I'm going back to camp. So let's get to sorting out and packing. Well, I have to pack everything: my bedding, towels, pillows, in this bag, in this one bag. I was gonna get 2 bags, but things didn't work out like that. So everything has to fit in this. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. And you think it not fit? I mean, I take it. I had to put my shoes in these plastic bags because, yeah, I'm ready to do it. So I'm putting these in the bottom of the bag.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Kaliyah, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Kaliyah, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be what's in and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. Told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Kaliyah, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus.
Hey guys, today is the day we're going camp, and right now we're at the pickup area. So yeah, look, my cousin Amo. Hi. Yeah, so my brother, my little brother, and my cousin are coming to this time. Maya couldn't come, but yeah.
You give not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
so cringe.
Oh my days, bro. Hey guys, so right now we set up all the tents and I'm in my tent with my cousin. She's trying to get in. I don't know what she's trying to do right now. Hello! Hello!
Hi guys!
Not loud. No.
That's not even Kieran. No. That's not Kieran, that's the wind.
I thought that was Kieran at first, you know. Basically, we're just in here. Well, we didn't set up all the tents, but we set up most of them. And it was just, no. Yeah, so... So, Amo, how do you feel setting up tents?
It was not fun. It was rainy. And why is it sunny now? That's my question. Why is it sunny?
Well, at least to dry up all the rain from...
After going through that rain, great! Now we've already settled. And that makes it so much better. Thank you. Thanks, rain.
Yeah. Here's Amo pumping up her airbed. Why is she frozen like that? Let's zoom into her big head. She's scary. Are you? No, that's not how it's gonna work, Amo. You need to pump it up. You need to stand on it.
No! I can't do that. My legs hurt.
So this is all the tents. And that's our kitchen. What do you call it? Eating area and all of that type of riff-raff. Right now I'm gonna go into my brother's and my mom's tent and see what my brother's doing.
Let's eat some Doritos. Hey guys.
You're actually a rat.
What?
Why are you sneak eating? Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Tuesday. Came down yesterday. Put up all the tents in the rain. Yeah, don't ever do that in your life. So right now we're just waiting to get told to come for breakfast. So we're just chilling. Yeah. So, and my battery's about to die. So what am I supposed to do? Because I'm not have anywhere to charge it. So we're getting our breakfast over there. Say hello, Kieran.
Hi guys.
So we're waiting for our breakfast. There's Amo again.
Get out of the way.
So we're having banana fritters. I'm not eating any of them because I don't like banana.
We're having banana fritters. Some people will have cornflakes or what is it? Cream witches.
Cream of wheat, not cream of witches.
Cream of wheat. Yeah.
I'm someone, told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God, I wanna go to Kaliyah.
Hey guys, right now it's lunch time, so we're gonna have some stewed chicken, rice and peas, you know, Caribbean things like that, and also cake, but I don't know why we're having cake at lunch, but anyway, we just knew. Oh my days, get away from me, bro. Get away from me.
Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
It's Barbie time. Do you don't know? Oh, there's a black Barbie right there, man.
She don't look black, she look white. Oh, watch this one. Watch this
What's
one.
my dad? Aww.
Hello, my name is Nikki. Waka waka, sabi namin ang saan kulay ba? Not turn up! She about you, man? No, man?
You, not that. Hey guys, it's Wednesday now, and I don't even know if we're gonna go to the beach because it's raining. Hopefully, by the grace of God, it gets sunny so we can go to the beach. So right now, we're gonna go bathe. See you when I'm back from the shower and ready. Hey guys, so we're going to the beach. Yeah, I know I said I was gonna show you my outfit, but it's just a purple shirt, pink trousers. But this purple, you can't tell the difference. Look at this is pink.
That is pink.
Anyway, yes. So we are going to beach.
Hello guys. Right now, I actually don't know where we're going.
We see sheep and we see crows.
So, how do you feel about the water we saw?
It was too rough. And I felt like if I jumped in that water, I would die. Because I would.
Yeah.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
Hey guys, so we're at Eastbourne. Hello, pure seaside thing, that is the sea. And right now we're going all the way over there. No, why? It is too cold. Yeah.
Yeah, I say it, my G. Yes, my G. What's going on, my family?
Why do you and your brother act the same? Hey guys, so we're going on a historical trip. I don't know where we're going, but it will probably be on the screen. So, who are these people coming towards me? So, okay, let's do outfit check. So, Kiwan, where's your jumper from?
My jumper's from
Mom.
my pants.
It's from, who bought it for you? Where's your shoe? Who's your shoes from?
Uncle Christopher.
What about your shirt?
Shirt.
You bought it.
Dad.
Okay. So where's your thing from and who bought it?
Jumper, the tea from my mother, cousins. The shirt, grandma gave it to me because she wears in Jamaica. The trousers from Primark from my father. The shoes down, the tea from my mother, cousins again. And that's the outfit, the bag from Kaliyah.
This is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. This is from Primark. And this is from my Uncle Christopher. Bag is from, guess where? Amazon. Anyway.
What shirt was from?
What shirt? Oh yeah, shirt, Primark.
The girl said, what shirt?
I forgot I was wearing the shirt.
Shoes from Shanique. Pants from Primark. Puma. Socks from jacket from Shein. Shirt from
Alright. Aya? So we have reached our destination. I think. I have no clue what we are doing today. So
I'm not so beautiful.
bombastic side-eye.
I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see
We have to do a challenge where we have to find like historic facts and take pictures. But we can't. So what's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, library. I don't know what that says.
Look at that. Take a picture of that. That's good.
He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but you just
oh my days. Morning guys. Today is racing. I'm gonna slap this girl, you know. Friday today. We have 2 more days until we go home. Yeah. So right now we're waiting for them to call us so we can do worship. Oh, look at my mouth. Or should we just get up, Amo?
No.
Yes, I'm getting up.
Ooh, do you see me standing here? Do I look good, my dear? Do I look good today? Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, right now we're not going out like we did the other days. We're just staying in the campsite. Might go and collect some wood I might not film that getting wood and all of that stuff because the camera battery is about to die. And we want to save it for tomorrow.
Yay!
Because we're going to the church and we're gonna have a bonfire. So this might be a short day. So bye bye. Hey guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna. Because me want pink. Hey guys, so you know me say me not film today because the battery dead. Shut up your mouth. Anyway, as I was rudely interrupted, Miss Hey, you know when I was saying I was not coming up here on a Friday because hello guys, you know when I say I was not going to film, yes, I am back because I just wanted to show you that we're just doing the activity waiting for our Sabbath.
Why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, cause you see and I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. It's making me better. I'm starting a new thing. It's making me stronger. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. God has made me perfect. I'm a picture of His presence. It's true. He said it is changing. He's making me better. I'm starting a new thing. He's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Rest is in my life for Him. Yeah. Rest is in my life for Him. Yeah.
Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Ready for church.
Hey guys, so it's Saturday, and we're gonna go to a church in Kent. We don't know where the church is, but we're going somewhere. And this is what we're wearing. Yellow dress. To wear this jumper because I'm not doing no jacket.
I'm wearing a black dress. You cannot see it. Barely.
So yeah.
Someone told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
So we're back from church. So I'm gonna change up my clothes, you know. Yeah, I'm still in her. What is she doing? Okay, anyway, let's move from that. Anyway, we're supposed to have lunch at 1, but now it's like 3 something. Because some person in the church was talking so long, I mean, I don't even know what he was talking about. Anyway, yeah. I'll catch you back. I don't even know if we're gonna do the bonfire because it is raining, as you can hear.
I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Good morning, USA.
Done.
Anyway,
USA.
we are going home today. Oh, my nose is running.
Why do you lick your lips like that?
Because it's dry.
I hope you're
Guys, so we packed up our tents. This was where we were staying, me and Emma. This is where my other cousins were staying. And now we're packing up my mom and Kiwan's tent.
welcome back to my video.
Gosh. Hello guys. I forgot to do an outro when I came back. Just a whole lot of things just happened and now I do the outro. So yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, you feel me? Yes. This trip was not it because why was it raining?
Know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get hot. Go, 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 go. Girl, won't you do that thing down to the floor? To the floor, flow 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 to the floor. Don't know if I'ma see you again.
DJ Lilo.
But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man.
DJ Lilo.
Go, 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 go. Girl, won't you do that thing down to the floor? To the floor, flow 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 to the floor, flow, flow. I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get hot. Go, 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 go.
DJ Lila, DJ Lila, DJ Lila.
But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man.
DJ Lila, DJ Lila, DJ Lila, DJ Lila.
I ain't stand. Well then, let me see you get. Girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? To the floor, flow 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 to the floor. Don't know if I'ma see you again.
DJ Lila, DJ Lila, DJ Lila.
But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man.
DJ Lila, DJ Lila, DJ Lila, DJ Lila.